Do you know about myself or?
No, no, sorry. Introduce yourself, please.
Okay. So I'm Priya from Jammu and Kashmir, and last year I completed my graduation, and recently I'm preparing for GKSSP. And if I'm talking about my hobby, so I like listening music, reading books sometime, but not much, and also sometimes creative video. Yeah, that's my side.
Okay. So, when have you started your journey of learning English?
Actually, 1 month ago I was taught, and you can say now 1.5 month. And if I'm talking about how to start, so it's now is internet time. So yeah, I also watch some cartoons, movies, and English podcast. That's
Okay.
my mm,
Did someone motivate you for learning it?
yeah, because I'm learning for myself. So I because I want to improve myself. That's because I'm started. And if you want to do something for yourself, so I think never ever you can say no one can demotivate yourself, because if you are think about yourself, yeah, you want to do this, so you can do.
Yeah, that's right. But sometimes what happens whenever somebody is humiliated or someone insults him or her that you cannot speak English and you are so big, I mean, so tall or this much, you are so open that you cannot speak it. So I mean, sometimes these kind of things happen with us. I thought maybe something like that has happened with you too.
No, actually, yeah, some people like react like, yeah, you are improving your English, but that's people who are not able to understand in English, or they're not speaking, at least not trying. So that's people react like, yeah, you improve yourself. Why? Especially those people who don't understand, I think. And if I'm talking about who are understand, who are able to talk with each other, they don't react like this.
Because they understand the importance of this language. That's why I think.
Mhm. Yeah, in this time, if you are not as a you don't know about English, like reading, speaking, so does not matter how much you have degree, because in this time it's global language.
Yeah, of course. And today we are talking at this time. I think it is possible just because of this language.
Yeah.
Right.
Mm. So
Yeah. So are you from English medium school or Hindi medium?
English medium. But our India, we have environment, but we don't speak. We always talk in Hindi, or our mother tongue, because we are Indian. That's why.
Yeah, sometimes it happens.
Yeah, especially in government school, you can say.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Have you been to some other state except your own?
I don't understand. Can you repeat what?
Have you ever visited some other states like Arunachal Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh, all these kind of things?
Yeah, Punjab, and also sometime Himachal, because not much. I don't like. You can say not like. I don't like much traveling, but yeah, sometime, because India in Punjab, a place Bias. So maximum time I was in visit, and with my family. But yeah, I want to visit other states. But firstly, I want job. Then after job, I try.
Okay. When you went to Punjab, at that time, did you understand their language, Punjabi language?
Yeah, I can speak and I can understand. Actually, you can say Dogri, English, Hindi, and Urdu and Haryanvi. Not much, but yeah, sometimes I understand Bengali also.
Okay. So, did you study that language or you understand it on your own?
No, no, due to conversations with the standards and because 1 year ago, I work in with online company like digital affiliating. So due to if you want to convince anyone to invest, so firstly you're able to understand and also if you don't speak well, so how can you convince anyone? So that's why due to that's all conversations now I'm able to understand and not writing in Punjabi and uh, Haryanvi, but yeah, I understand properly and speaking also.
Wow, that's good.
Mm.
Really. And it is very tough for me sometimes. I cannot understand them, like Punjabi language or some other language. So, how many languages do you know?
Punjabi is you can say 90% it's related to Dogri. So I am belong to JNK. So here is Dogri is mother tongue. Pahadi is also but some area in Pahadi, but Dogri is 98% people in speaking in Dogri. So that's why Punjabi is 95% related to Dog. Some words are different.
Okay, so can you speak something in your language, Dogri language?
Yeah,
Like, how
sure.
are you? So, what will you say there?
क्या हाल है आपका जैसे हम लाइक हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी
Yeah, yeah, I know that.
ओके सो लाइक जैसे हम हिंदी में पूछते हैं क्या हाल है आपका तो डोगरी में पूछते हैं की हाल है तुम्हारा सो या सो पंजाबी में भी ऐसे ही बोलते हैं
Okay. Actually, I have never listened to this language, this Dogri language. That's why it is
It's
very
so
tough for me.
easy.
Yeah, it is easy for you because you are from there. That's why it is easy. Otherwise, for the
Hmm.
people who are from different states, it won't be easy for them.
Yeah, but I think not Dogri and not English. I think you can say every language for everyone it's difficult. Now, I'm trying to speak in English, but for foreigners it's too much easy. And we are Indian, so for us Hindi is too without any thinking we can speak. So, but
Yeah, yeah,
for farmers, it's not easy.
yeah. So, do you have good environment of English?
No, I have no involvement, zero involvement.
So, how do you practice?
With matter, sometimes talking with myself and thinking in English and also watching podcast and movies at all, and also connected with the online people, strangers.
Okay. How
I
did you
have
come to know about this app?
what?
How how did you come to know about this Skype app?
Actually, you can say after uh, 1 week ago, when I was started for English conversations, watching podcast. And firstly, I maximum podcast I watched, and they talk with each other, and that's why I think why I will not try. So that's why I'm connecting with peoples and uh, at least it's my eighth session with you, And after you, I was talking with like seven people who are different states, different country, and for my practice. So that's why I installed this app, because it's also global. You can say it's also global app. I think, but after installing, I don't know about this, but now after sessions, now I'm also use this.
Yeah, it is very helpful for all the students who want to learn English, right? Because it is not possible for anyone to have good environment of English. Neither I
Yeah.
can have good environment here, nor you can have there, right? In Jammu Kashmir. And even in
Hmm.
UP, I can say that there is no good environment, especially for speaking English.
Hmm.
It happens, but since we have got this app, so we can talk to different people and we can do practice whatever we want.
Yeah, after 3 days ago, I was connected a girl who is Muslim, and her name is Mantasa something, but she is good speaker. She is also belong to UP, and she's too much good, I think. And
Maybe.
yeah, some people are good, but some are like me, not I think well, but yeah, if we practice, so you can improve.
Yeah. Just by doing the practice, we can become better. We can improve our way of speaking.
Yeah.
And even I think all the people who are speaking good English today, even they were also speaking like you in the beginning when they had started their journey, right? If you
Yeah, because
continue, it will be okay.
as a speaker, I think sometimes hesitations. You can, I think, some people who are able to speak, but due to hesitations, nervousness, they don't, not properly. But I think some people are able, like me. If I'm talking about my readings and also understanding, and also I can do chat with anyone properly in English. But when I'm talking with anyone, sometimes you think maybe I do some mistake. So this all thinking, I think, sometimes not. Like not properly explaining some things. That's why you can say some people like me, when I'm starts, so I take first session to first session, and that time it's totally like nervous. I was totally nervous, and I think and I think maybe he is like you can say, if uh, when who talk with you, sorry, who talk with you, they are better than you. So that's time you feel maybe I do mistake. So it's for us embarrassed, like. So yeah, I was when I was take first session, that time some hesitation, but now I think I can connect with anyone. It does not matter for me how I do how much I do mistakes. At least I try. So now I can.
Yeah, at least you are trying to do something new. And you are better than those people who do not try for doing something new in their lives, right? At least you are struggling, you are trying to do something. And if you keep on doing this thing, you will be fluent speaker one day for sure. But those people who are not trying, who are not making mistakes,
Due
this
to
is
fear,
a kind
due
of
to fear.
guarantee for them that they cannot do anything.
Hmm. Because they think what others think about us, and what societies, peoples what say about us. So it does not matter for me what say others, because I try, at least I try. So others will not try. So how can they think, they say about us, you are not properly speak. At least I try. So does not matter for me what others say and what they think.
Yeah, even we should not care a lot about society, I mean, the opinions of society, because the opinions of society keep on changing.
Yeah.
You are not speaking well today, So they will say that, why are you speaking? You can speak. Actually, someone was trying to call me. Can you see me now?
Okay.
Yeah. So I was saying this thing that the opinions of society keep on changing. Today you are speaking like this. I mean, with hesitation, fumble. So they will say this thing that this thing you cannot do it. But after 2 or 3 years, when you will start speaking fluently, they will say, "Wow, yeah, I knew that you would be able to do this thing, right? Only you can do this thing." So their opinions will be changed at that time. So we should not care a lot about them, because even I have seen these kind of things. People say all these things because I don't know for what reason, but yeah, it happens. It's common.
Yeah. As I said, who are not able to understand. Those people say.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
Those-
educated people can never say this thing that you are doing a wrong thing by speaking it or by learning this thing, because they understand the importance.
yeah. But
Right.
who don't understand their value, and also they don't know how to speak and how to understand. So they say, because they have because our society, if you do something new or something trying, so everyone who not about your friends, not about your family, it's all about our society. So it's always not in you can say not we are not, the try to improve any language. Whatever you doing, whatever you try to improve, this always we always say something. So,
Yeah, yeah, it happens everywhere.
mhm.
That's why we should try to focus on our goal, on our target. That's it. And it,
Yeah.
after all, it is our life. So we should do our work according to ourselves.
Hmm.
Right.
Yeah. For people's
Actually, somebody is
our
call.
what?
Yeah, yeah, go on. Go ahead.
Yeah. So our problems and our anything for others, it's like gossip. And after some
Yeah.
time, maybe you forget what was it and why we are thinking about such people. So mm, if I think if you want to achieve something, firstly you focus on yourself, because if you focus on others, so never ever you focus on yourself.
Yeah, it happens. That's why we should be indulged in our work. We should be busy in our work so that we may not focus on others, what they are saying, what they are doing. We should just
Yeah.
ignore all these things.
Hmm.
Otherwise, they will disturb our concentration. They will just
Hmm.
disturb us.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Actually, somebody is trying to call me, and I think there is some kind of emergency. So, can we call some other time?
Okay, no problem. Okay, bye.
Okay. Bye.